Anchovy crops off Peru's coasts. I'm going to Peru on Friday, though. I promise I'll check it out. But I do know that gold was up by some $12 between Friday and Monday. You were saying just a couple of minutes earlier than that discussion with Guy in the previous half an hour that when everybody piles in somewhere, then you don't stand a chance on Earth. And you were indicating that you maybe should think about getting out. We were talking about Japan. Would the same go for gold?
Again, to clarify, you can get out of Japan. The thing's going to be 40,000 in 10 years' time. The Dow's not going to be 40,000. The Nikkei's going to be 40,000. So I've kept a little bit of powder dry because we get volatility when you get crowded trades. And that's what you're raising. You're raising the notion, is gold now crowded? Kind of could be, but I've come to the conclusion that I'm just fed up to the teeth talking about, whenever gold goes up a little bit, it's like, oh my God, it's at a 25-year high. I mean, guys, get a life, okay? Let's talk about markets. The stock market in America peaked in 1929 rather. It took 25 years to get back to that previous high, and when it got back there, it was 1954, and the market was at 300, and you had to buy the 25-year high, because 10 years later, it was at 1,200, okay? In 1966, it peaked. It took another 25 years in real terms to get back to that level. In 1992, you had to buy the Dow at 2,000, and it went to 12. So when I hear that gold has now made a 25-year high, it's the most bullish thing on earth. And you're quite right. It may be a little bit crowded in the short term. It may fall from 530 on the futures to 480 or 460. It doesn't matter. The thing's going higher, substantially higher. And I can say that about gold, I can say that about metals, because despite it talking about the vigor of the American economy, the world is one of binary. Either the economy is going to get a lot stronger or it's going to get a lot weaker. And I know that those are two contradictions, but I don't make up the rules. That's life today. Yep. Okay. The joy with gold, and it's the thing. Dear Financial Times, dear Wall Street Journal, editors, please, you've got to get into the real world. Gold has got nothing to do with jewellery. I don't give a damn that at 5:30 some Indians may not give more trinkets. It doesn't matter. Gold is all about when guys like me fear. They fear the future.